Hi guys, this is the second video where we are trying to use Pixlr to edit and enhance an image. What we're going to look at for this session is these two tools here. So we're going to try to use the Retouch tool, which allows us to clone specifically one color and duplicate it somewhere else. And then we're going to use the drawing tool. And in my example, I'm going to use it to draw clouds, some sort of soft haze in the sky. So here's my image so far. I've already done a little bit of cloning to fill in the side of this mountain. As you can see, at the moment, there's a very light area which I need to get rid of. So what I'm going to do is go to the Retouch. I'm going to use the clone stamp. And what this does is I choose my target. So I'm going to say I want to take this color here, somewhere in the middle of my mountain, and I want to reproduce that color further down here. So as I do my strokes, as long as I'm on the right layer, let's try that again. So clone stamp, I'm going to clone from here, and I'm going to paint that color further down. So as I do my strokes, can you see the black target is moving down with me? That's taking that color. So what I want to do is really darken out this side of my mountain. And as you can see, it doesn't matter if I go over the edge because it's actually going to correct that for me. I've painted over the edge, but that's a different layer, so it will remove that. And I can keep doing that down to the bottom here. This is a way of taking a color from one area or one place. It's called cloning, and then cloning that color somewhere else. I'm fairly pleased with that, so I will move on. The second tool I wanted to show you was drawing. We can use the drawing tool. Click a new drawing, so this will create a new layer. We're going to use the tool paintbrush. You could obviously use shapes as well. What I want to do is create kind of cloud effect in the sky. So to do that, I'm going to choose white. I'm going to make it very transparent. That means very see-through. I'm going to make it very soft, that way around. And I'm also going to make it a very large brush size. That should create for me a very soft kind of painting tool. Yeah, there it is. You can see it's basically creating that kind of haze. And what I was hoping to do was put it around some of these peaks, almost like the wind is blowing around them a little bit. Maybe some in the valley as well down here. So you can have a go with these two tools and see if you're able to create some effects using those two tools. So the ones we've looked at are the retouch. You can only do that on one of the image layers. So we were using the clone stamp, taking one area and then cloning it somewhere else. And the second one was using the paint tool. And we can do that on layers that we are painting. So it creates a new layer. And I set it to be very large, very soft, and almost fully see-through. So it's a very soft effect, as you can see. Have a go, see what you can create.